We are now going to format the table we've just created. The most common fields to format are the values, the header, and the totals. So in order to do that, we select our container and then we go to the Format tab. And in here, we can start with the headers. We can change the font color. We can change the background color. And we can also change the font. Arial and a bit bigger. Next, we can amend the values. In this case, we can change the font to Arial and the font size so it's easily readable. We can also change the font and the background color for both the white lines and the grey lines. And finally, we can turn totals on or off, like so. And we can also amend the font and the size.